Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. This is me, Kartikeya, and today, welcome to my channel, Kartikeya Goes Live. And today, I'm gonna discuss about the topic Divine or Deadly, the sound of the universe. So, the sound in space. In space, nobody can hear anything, but with the right equipment, it is possible to detect a roar and a scream as well. That's what scientists discovered back in 2006 when they began to look for distant signals in the universe. The instrument was able to pick up radio waves from the heat of distant stars. The buzzer. As the instrument listened from a height of 23 miles, it picked up signals that were 6 times louder than expected by cosmologists. Scientists still don't know what is causing it, even today. The arcade. The instrument that detected the mysterious roaring signal was the absolute radiometer of cosmology. The mission. The mission's science course as Arcade floated high above Earth's atmosphere. It accomplished the goal by scanning 7% of the night sky for radio signals, since the distant light becomes radio waves as it loses energy over distance. The arcade continued. So the arcade looks like this. So arcade is nothing but just some kind of hot air balloon kind of thing. Now the mission. Arcade was able to make absolute caliber zero level measurements. This was different from typical radio telescopes which observe and contrast too. Arcade was able to see the combination of many dim sources. The space roar. Scientists call the signal radio synchronization background. The 157 days mystery. More than 100 fast radio bursts (FRBs) have been discovered to date, and most of them are one-ons, playing up just a single time. That's as far as we know. It fires out bursts for a 4-day stretch, goes quiet for 12 days, and then starts all over again. So that it is just repeating the same process. The conclusion. The scientists believe that all these periodic flare-ups could be caused by a wobble in the rotational axis of a highly magnetized neutron star known as magnetar. This exciting discovery highlights how little we know about the origin of fast radio bursts, also known as FRBs again. So thank you everybody for watching my video. If you think anything is useful in this presentation, please like, share, subscribe and comment down on which I want to present next, or any questions. I'm sure I'll answer them. Thank you for your time.